Hi friends, welcome to day 24 of Wisdom Insight on the Book of Proverbs. I hope the previous video has been blessing you. So far, we have already 23 videos sharing from the Book of Proverbs every day. Make sure you watch them. In fact, every of those videos have amazing lessons to teach you. Today, I'll be sharing from Proverbs chapter 24. We'll be looking at verse 5. This is so important and so instructional. Being wise is better than being strong. Yes, knowledge is more important than strength. After all, you must make careful plans before you fight a battle. And the more good advice you get, the more likely you are to win. Being wise is better than being strong. There are a lot of people who are strong in terms of their intellect. Some people are strong in terms of their financial capacity. Some people are strong in terms of their physical structure, but they are not wise. And that's the reason why a lot of people fight the wrong battle. Okay, you see people who want to fight with their intellect. They want to go for this competition, or they want to fight with that person. They are against this individual, but they do not sit down to begin to think discreetly. And that's the reason why a lot of them lose a lot of the times in life, and they begin to fight battles that they should not even start at all. Most of the time, you should begin to measure up. This opponent is likely to become my friend tomorrow, is likely to become my helper tomorrow, is likely to become this tomorrow. A lot of the times, recently I was trying to advise a couple of students who had very good CGPA in my campus. And I was telling them that beyond just trying to be the best, having first class, what kind of impact are you willing to make? Such that the people you look down on, that they are not as good as you, will be the reason why you have certain open doors. I started giving that counsel. But a lot of brilliant people are just there, oh, they're brilliant, they feel, oh, I know this, I can do that, I can carry on. But at the end of the day, they do not get escape velocity opportunities. And that's why you must invest in wisdom. Don't just say you want to be strong, you want to do this, you are doing all of that. You must also build wisdom. Part of what wisdom will supply is that it will make you seek the right advice, because you need the right advice to win. You need the right counselors, you need the right advisors to be able to scale certain levels, certain heights in life, and really do well in all that you choose to do. So seek wisdom right now. In the right way, you're trying to get more certificates, become more intellectual, win competitions, get awards. You must also make sure that you seek wisdom, because that's the greatest way you can achieve immense victory. Till I come your way again, please do well to like this video, do well to stay subscribed, drop a comment, and also share this video with your friends. See you tomorrow. Cheers.